Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back now and I'm doing better. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did my bikini set using this old top that I don't have any use for anymore. So basically, when I do tutorials like this, I usually go for material which has elastic on it, because it's easy to get away with not having the right measurements for your body. So I started off by cutting the top in two parts for the bottoms and the other one for the top. Okay, so as you guys can see, I used my underwear as a guide for the pattern. I used this part of the top as the front piece of my bikini bottoms, and to be frank, I was just winging it. I literally had no idea what I was doing, but I made it work. So I went ahead and sewed the two pieces together on the crotch area as well as the sides. I used a back stitch, and if you don't know how to sew, you can always ask someone to do it for you, or you can use a hot glue gun, but I'm not sure if it's going to be as effective as the sewing thread. Okay, now that the pieces have been sewed together, I'm just going to cut off the excess material and I just shape it the way I want it to look. I used another piece from the top to use as the padding for the bikini bottoms. I just folded it and then I sew it onto the bikini bottom. Alright, so the next thing I did was cut the remaining material, and I basically cut straight across to make the tube for the bikini top.
could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air.
I sewed the wrong sides of the tube together and I decided to make it into a sleigh top.
Kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong.
If you want to see a tutorial on how I did this, I already have a video on that, so you can check it out. I'll link it down below. This is the finished product and this is what the bikini looks like. It's kind of cute and it was literally the easiest thing to do ever. I did good, I did alright. So yeah, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.